How to fix Outlook signature not working on reply. 1. Set up the correct default signature for replies. Path, File Options Mail Signatures. 2. Create a new signature. Path, Message Signature Signatures New. 3. Change message format to plain text. Hint, choose plain text from the Compose Messages in this format option. 4. Choose HTML format in case of image signatures. To do so, set Compose Messages in this format to HTML. 5. Check if the same issue occurs in the Outlook Web App 6. Uninstall the trial version. Of Microsoft Office, if applicable. 7. Repair Microsoft Outlook.